Make sure to stay until the end. We'll explain how to fix valve lifter noise without taking the engine apart. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a BMW 5 Series. And if you have a valve lifter noise, you want to see the easiest way you can fix it or reduce that valve lifter noise. In some cases guys, it could be dramatic change. Stay with us, we'll explain what we do here, how we approach that problem, how we fix it. All that guys will be covered in this video today. So before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos guys. And if you need to buy any parts tools for your BMW, any car, practically any model, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. We are constantly adding new cars, so we are constantly working on problems that can save you thousands of dollars. So let's explain how to fix that now. So what we have here guys, we have a 2013 BMW 520i, but even if you have a diesel gasoline engine with valve lifters, practically they will have valve lifters, sooner or later, higher mileage, they can develop valve lifter noise guys. Now, number one thing that we need to do when you have valve lifter noise, you have to make sure that you do an oil change. Now, it's really good before the oil change to do an engine flush. Engine flush can make your engine guys clean on the inside. So if you have contamination, okay, engine flush before an oil change is amazing stuff. Flush your engine with leaky moly engine flush. This thing is amazing. We made a video guys. I was not going to, but I decided to make it, and it's a really popular video. Does leaky moly engine flush work on Porsche Cayenne? With almost it has almost 200,000 miles, and we opened the engine after the engine flush. It was like new guys, unbelievable. So what do? We do engine flush before oil change. We change the engine oil with an engine oil that is actually for your BMW. This one meets the BMW long life standards up to 2018. Change the oil filter, okay, and what we will recommend guys, okay, use Ceratec guys. Ceratec is amazing stuff by Leaky Moly. It lasts 30,000 miles or 50 kilometers. It's a high-tech ceramic wear protection for engines, okay, and manual transmissions. What that thing does guys, okay, it reduces friction by 75% and reduces wear by 34%. But also guys, that thing makes, okay, your engine nice and silky smooth guys. Now according to that thing, it takes one Ceratec for 5 liters of oil. This is the one right here, so it's enough for that BMW. It's amazing too guys. It's amazing additive. It comes with a sticker that you can place, okay, and see when exactly you added your additive as well guys. So now this thing, you put it on, you burn through one fuel tank of gasoline, and you're going to start big difference guys. But what I would recommend for the best results, engine flush, oil change, add Ceratec every 30,000 miles. We'll go ahead, add ours, and we'll continue. So give it a good shake guys, energetic good shaking, okay, make sure to shake it good because all that ceramic particles may be on the bottom, so shake it good. We're going to open it. It has that nasty color, you will see, orangey color, but that's magic for your engine guys. So we're going to go ahead, open the cap right here, inspect your cap, make sure you don't have white buildup, sludge on the inside. That means you have a bad PCV valve most likely. So we're going to open it now, and we're going to go ahead, okay, and put it in. So let's go ahead, do that now. Okay, you can see, just taking it slowly. You need to make sure guys, okay, that you drain the whole thing all the way. Okay, perfect. And we can leave it upside down for a little bit so it can leak all the way out. Make sure you don't overfill your car with too much oil, but you can always use just a little bit of oil, just switch it a little bit and get the extra out of it as well. Depending on the capacity of your engine, you may require even more. This one, okay, will be enough for ours now. So this, guys, is liquid gold. I'm not kidding. This is amazing. What else it will do? These things will protect your engine because it will reduce wear and tear. You know, especially these N20 and 55 engines, they're known for connecting rod bearing failure, also some turbo failures as well, and that thing reduces, guys, friction, which will reduce heat, which will reduce wear. Friction by 75%, wear by 34%, so that, guys, will actually make your engine last longer without problems, so it's a game changer. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to fix valve lifter noise on BMW 5 Series. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you next time.